We come from distant lands, with hope held in our hands. A world so wide, the doors divide, but we still stand tall where we can. Through the trials we make our way, dreaming of a brighter day. Open hearts and open minds, a place where peace will find. Across the borders, across the seas, we're reaching out for unity. In every heart, a place to be, a future built on dignity. With open doors and open roads, we share the weight, we lift the load. In every step we rise above, connected by a world of love. The papers we hold tight, pathways glowing bright. Through broken chains we seek to gain a chance to live a human right. In the struggle there's a spark, a journey lighting up the dark. Together we will overcome, a world for everyone. Across the borders, across the seas, we're reaching out for unity. In every heart, a place to be, a future built on dignity. With open doors and open roads, we share the weight, we lift the load. In every step we rise above, connected by a world of love. Arrows pointing to westward, a new horizon we just begun. Justice calls, freedom sings, a better world is what we bring. Across the borders, across the seas, we're reaching out for unity. In every heart, a place to be, a future built on dignity. With open doors and open roads, we share the weight, we lift the load. In every step we rise above, connected by a world of love. Together we stand side by side. In every heart, hope will rise. Across the borders, across the seas, this world is home for you and me. Open roads, we share the weight, we lift the load. In every step we rise above, connected by a world of love. Across the borders, across the seas, we're reaching out for unity. In every heart, a place to be, a future built on dignity. With open doors and open roads, we share the weight, we lift the load. We share the weight, in every step we rise above, connected by a world of love. Together we stand side by side. In every heart, hope will rise. Across the borders, across the seas, this world is home for you and me.